Hello team, today I want to share an important update regarding the evolving situation in South Asia. We are witnessing the first drone war between nuclear-armed neighbors, India and Pakistan. This update matters as it highlights significant shifts in military dynamics. Both countries are employing drones in a high-stakes conflict. The implications could affect regional security and international relations. Here are 3 key points to note. First, both nations are accusing each other of drone attacks, escalating tensions. Second, drones enhance precision in warfare, transforming how conflicts are fought. Lastly, experts indicate this could signal a new era of military strategy in the region. As employees, we must remain informed. Stay updated on regional developments. Understand the evolving nature of modern warfare and its implications. In summary, we're witnessing a significant escalation in the India-Pakistan rivalry through drone warfare. Drones are changing military strategies and potentially raising risks of conflict. Let's reinforce our commitment to peace and understanding. We value collaboration and respect in our work and beyond. Thank you for your attention.